friends, I hope you're doing well, and here 2000 plus CV resume template in different file, like for InDesign, Adobe Illustrator, PSD for Photoshop, and for Microsoft Office. Okay, but these are protected. First you need subscription. For access of my all file, go to sheri.com. Just one time payment for lifetime, and then you have access of my all file. Okay, property 4000 plus and 2.50 GB, but don't worry, I will compressed. Okay, with 21 in one time lens, MS Word, Photoshop, cover photo, cover letter, modern reference page, target resume, functional style reference. Okay, and here 21. Next, 2 pages, job, header option 1 in 3 different file format. Here for Photoshop, white icon. Okay, next, portfolio page, reference, and resume, cover letter. Next, cover letter for InDesign and Microsoft Word. Job, report size PSD. All files are customizable. That means you can edit in InDesign, Microsoft Office, Adobe Illustrator, and Photoshop. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. Allah.